Here's how you can easily find outdated content on your website using Google Search Console. So all you'll need to do is go to Add Filter here and then select Query. And then in Query, you're going to select the Custom Regex and then just paste this one in. I've got it in the description below. So click Apply. What happens from here is you'll get all of the keywords that you're currently ranking. So we're ranking for 234 keywords for things that are probably outdated, like 2023 and 2025, etc. So all you need to do is click on one of these and it tells you which page or pages are ranking for that particular keyword. So we see this keyword over here. We'll open this in a new tab. And now we know the exact page that we need to potentially update. So you're going to go Control Find, try to find any 2025 mentions because that's the keyword that we're ranking for, right? We can see 2025 here. What else? If we can look at the meta title and description, we can see 2025 is here. So we've got 2026 here and 2025 here. So it's inconsistent. What I recommend you doing is, of course, editing the blog post, then go changing those mentions to the current year. And then maybe there's a few extra things that you can do. One of the things you can do to update the page so that you're giving freshness signals over to Google is you can have a key takeaways section at the top with maybe 3 bullet points summarizing the actual blog post. And inside of those, you can actually say what's changed this year in 2026. And so you can have that as the first bullet point that shows up in your key takeaways. You can also go through and try to update some of the actual content. So go through midway down the page and then try to add an extra like commentary or annotations that mentions the current year inside of it so that at least you're giving multiple factors to the search engines to give it freshness signals, right? And then after you've done all of that, then the next thing that you need to do is go to Google Search Console, paste that page in. So for example, we might copy this and then we might paste this in after we've made all the changes and then hit enter and then we re-index it. So we ask Google to request indexing and it will try to index that when we've got the crawl budget for it. I hope that helps. If you've got any questions, let me know and I'll see you in the next video.